So this install allows for her to have an edge, and this kind of blends naturally with her soft hair right here. Do you use any kind of edge control?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Use a little bit of edge control, and I'm good.
Yeah. So it's a full coverage, but I do it in a way that you cannot see unless you pulling it apart. But I'm gonna show pictures of them that you sent that last picture to me. Yeah, in different ways that you wore it from the last style to this one. I appreciate you letting me. Anything you want to mention to anyone that might want to consider a consultation? And
yeah, basically you're gonna get what you pay for. You're gonna get what you pay for. You're gonna be happy, you're gonna be satisfied, and your head is gonna feel wonderful.
Thank you so much, sweetie.
You're welcome.
So you liking it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Let's go close up. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. So. See, that part says every time look in the mirror, say, "See, it's gonna be on time." Go ahead. I will. You on Facebook or Instagram?
Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. You following my business page?
Yep.
Okay. Let me get to this side. Oh yes. Good morning, gorgeous. We got to do that one. Yes. All right. There we go. And close out and look at me. There we go. Yes. Give me some to this side. I like that. Yes, that's right. That's right.
It feels like you're getting your hair just washed in a deep condition, and it make your the treatments is really what does it.
Right.
Your treatments is really what do it.
Yeah, and she's talking about the Deca Plus line that I use, not just the shampoo, but the scalp treatment. Yeah, so I do the scalp treatment, and the massage, and going under the dryer and at the wash bowl. That whole experience.
Oh, it's nice. It's real nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels good on your scalp. It's just relaxing. And then once she get done, she does another little treatment where she greases your scalp real good, and it just penetrates. It feels real good. And you might have a little bit of itchiness after, tightness from her pulling it through or whatever. But if you get the Sulfur 8 anti-itch, it's like a liquid in a bottle, a little small bottle, and you can just take the lid off of it. It's got a skinny skinny head on it, and you just stick it down in your hair and squeeze a little bit, and it soothes your scalp.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep from itching and being dry.
Yeah.